Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, you name it. So if this is the kind of channel you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us, join the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my return supporters. Appreciate you guys a bunch. Thank you for coming back and supporting me. So today's video, we're going to be doing a hair video. So this is my new hair style. You guys probably already saw the hair in prior videos, but today we're gonna talk a little bit about this hair. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got these beautiful waves without heat. Yes, girl. I did review this on my channel and one of my silk video in the past. This is a heatless hair little tool that you can curl your hair overnight, and in the morning you wake up and you have these beautiful waves. I love the results. Love. I love it even more than I did the first time when I used it. I don't know why, but yes. So I'm gonna put a little video on the side here, show you guys how I put the hair on this, how I install the little tool, and then in the morning when I took it out, so you guys can see the result. And this is the final result after I put my makeup on and change. So we're looking fabulous, and I love these results. Love it. I love it. So like I said, on one of my side here, I'm gonna demonstrate to you guys how I achieve this look. And as I'm doing that, we're going to talk a little bit about the hair. Alright, so if before you install this, it's super easy. You just put on top of your head and secure it here with a clip or something, and then you just you split your hair in two sides and just wrap very tight all over on this side. Then what I did, I just curl, make like into a little bun and put on the side and secure with elastic or a scrunchie, and then I just did the same thing on this side, and that pretty much was. And when the hair was really secured, I just went to bed and sleep, and I wake up in the morning looking like this. Girl, this is, love that. That's so much easier than style my hair. Now, especially now in the summer with the hot humidity, heatless wave is definitely the way to go. So now that I showed you guys how I got this look, I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit about my new hair look. This hair extension is for Irresistible Me. You guys know that I love them and I only use the hair extension. This is, if I'm not mistaken, a 22-inch, and it's gorgeous and it's very long. Yeah, that's how long it is. It goes like way past my underboobs. It's gorgeous, the hair, very beautiful. So I have here 3.5 pockets of hair on my head, and the person that installed the hair extension did such an amazing installation job that I could get all this hair installed, almost 4 packets. I saved a little bit so I can show you guys the hair texture, the hair color, but she installed almost 4 packets of hair on my head, and you cannot see anything. I just love it. I love a lot of hair. So this hair here is just the way I love. Alright, I'm talking to them much. Let me show you guys the hair. So that's how the hair extension comes in the box, but they do have a new packaging now, so sorry if I have the old one. And then the hair extension come in little package like that. My it's open and beat up because I got the hair installed already. So normally here you come your little test piece that you, before you open this side that come with the seal, you just take one little piece off and match, to see if you match your hair color, texture, or if it's what you like. If it is, then you go ahead and open this seal. If it's not, you can just send it back and then get the refund or get the color that you like or the length, and so they're very good with customer service. I love them. So alright, so here is the hair So this is the tape in 24. I think it is 24 inch. Oh my god. I'm gonna check on my phone for you guys the right info. I just want to show you guys how beautiful the hair looks. So like I said, I have almost 4 package on my head. From the 4 package, I just have left 2, 4, 5, like about 6 tape of the 20 that come in one package. This hair is 100% Remy human hair, and it's gorgeous. And I'm gonna take the color here to show you guys. This color is 1B6 dark highlights. So yeah, this is a 22 inch, and the color, like I told you guys, is a dark brown with highlights, but it's gorgeous. I was just tired of my ombre that I was having, so I just decided to get some highlights and darken my hair. And this is the final look. The hair is super beautiful and blend very beautiful. Love this hair, love it, in love with this hair. So the hair is beautiful. Here is the color plus vibe, very pretty. And this is the tape in if I'm not mistaken, is injection they call, because if you guys can see the regular tape, they actually have like you know, a tape here, and this one now it's like the hair is come straight out of the root of your hair. So when you have it, it's impossible to this hair extension to show, almost impossible, and they are just invisible. It's amazing. Definitely is my favorite at the moment now. This is what I'm telling you guys. They call, I think, injection if I'm not mistaken, because the hair, when you glue it to your head, it look like that's coming out of your scalp. You see if they have hair right here. The regular one actually is a tape on this area, and this one is actually the hair. So it look like it just look like the hairs come out of your head. That's my best description. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoy these heatless curls. They look beautiful. And if you guys have any question about the hair extension, drop in the comment below and I tell you guys the best I can. But this is the size. This is a 22 inch. Gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Discount code is going to be on here when I be editing and in the description of this video, and also the link for Irresistible Me if you guys are looking for hair extension. They don't only have taping hair extension, they also have clipping hair extension, ponytails, and a bunch of other goodies, so don't forget to check them out. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. See you guys next video. Bye.